Hello tech lovers, today's video is on Top 5 Best RC Drone on Aliexpress. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this video. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The very next, RC Drone 4K 1080 pixel HD wide-angle camera, we have Drone. This particular drone also has a high-definition camera, and it will provide you more realistic aerial view. The camera's shooting can be adjusted manually. It will give you broader shooting horizon, and you will be able to make your creation more at your heart with it. Having an excellent flight system and propeller design, noise reduction is optimized. It is equivalent to approximately 45% reduction in corresponding noise power and overall operating efficiency. You can say goodbye to annoying noise while flying, and shooting will also be more comfortable. It has one-hand handling ability design. It can automatically maintain a smooth flight, and no need to control the throttle bar. It is easier to control with this one-handed control. It has advanced intelligent identification, technology, and flight process. By making corresponding gestures to the aircraft, it can do automatic photography 3 seconds after. Aircraft recognition gestures and video will be more convenient and fun. You can edit and add special effects and music to your movie through the phone app. And you can share now with a variety of cool effects that are built in to make your movies more compelling. It has a built-in auto beauty function that can automatically adjust the sensitivity and brightness, and no one that ever before. With advanced signal transmission technology, it will allow the transmission distance and remote control distance to have a long distance, and the viewing effect is very good in it. Its modular designed battery is provided with a decent capacity to provide more than 15 minutes of battery life. It is easy to install and has energy-saving technology so that it can provide with some enjoyable moments. We can finish it up with Xiaomi Mini S5's 4K professional drone. It has electric turning camera. The camera can be adjusted by 90 degrees through the remote control button, and it provides multi-angle recording of aerial images. Its electronic stabilization and balancing function provides clearer picture quality, and you won't get wavy line too. It has 360-degree intelligent infrared obstacle avoidance. When it encounters obstacles in the front, back, left, and right, it automatically identifies obstacles and automatically stops and hovers, making the flight more secure. You will get stable flight against wind outdoors. With its brushless power motor, you will get stable improvement of wind resistance. Having optical flow positioning, hover has been so easy. It can accurately lock the height, hover stably, and prevent screen shake when taking photos and videos. It has intelligent one-button control. You will get one-button takeoff and landing. You will also get an emergency stop. One-click operation also allows novices to control quickly. With its 2.4 gigawatts high-definition image transmission, you will be able to enjoy real-time pictures from far away. It has gesture photography and automatic recognition of intelligent response. You can aim at the camera of the aircraft and compare the corresponding gestures. After the identification, it will work automatically. Others features like waypoint flight, headless mode, one-click tumble, etc. are also provided in it. Furthermore, we have Z908 Pro Drone in our list. With its 150-degree electrical phase modulation camera, you will get multi-dimensional shooting and will get a wider wide shooting angle. It is adopted with intelligent three-way obstacle avoidance technology. Has front, left, right three-way environmental perception capabilities. It is equipped LED fill light and an infrared obstacle avoidance sensor. You can make your control easier and simpler. The machine adopts a classic three-dimensional folding design, which feels just right. Even after passing thousands of folds, it can still guarantee the stability of flight. The size of this product is almost equivalent to a mobile phone so that you can easily carry it and fly it at your will. It has smart hovering feature, and during the flight, the drone will automatically maintain a stable suspension. Its high-definition image transmission will provide you friendly viewing experience, and it will let you enjoy the wonderful journey of aerial photography. If you connect it with your phone via Wi-Fi, you can take control of this drone. Having a powerful auto beauty shot photography technology, you will get beautiful photos in one go. You can use advanced and intelligent object recognition technology. The flight process is performed by facing the aircraft. You can make corresponding gestures. The aircraft will automatically take pictures or records within 3 seconds after intelligently recognizing the gestures. More convenient and more fun. Having module large battery, you can have more than 15 minutes of long battery life. We can start things off with new 4K HD dual camera GPS F10 drone. The picture quality is clear and the details are abundant, as if pressing the memory replay button. With an optical flow positioning lens, it is free to switch the viewing angle. It is a convenient drone. You can travel light and take off anytime. After being folded, it is only the size of the palm of your hand, which can be stuffed into your pocket or backpack. Its weight is about 249 grams, which is equivalent to the weight of an apple. So you can take it anywhere and can take off anytime. It is provided with a great folding design, which makes it even more compact. Compared to the previous carrying, it's easier to bring a heavy drone. With one-click short film, the real-time editing and production, smart and easy to use, novices can get started in seconds. You will get 5G Wi-Fi high-definition image transmission, about 2,000 meters long distance control, flying high, seeing far, and the aerial photography is smoother with it. With its beauty shot feature, the post-shooting stage is done in one go. It will bring you a better photography experience. With 360-degree surround shooting feature, you can use a different perspective of flight and make a great movie with it. Its body adopts drawer-type module designed to make it easier to install and take. With its 3.7 voltage battery, you will get about 25 minutes of battery life. Up next, we have UAV XT9 Aerial Drone in our list. It has high-definition dual camera and about 90-degree remote control lens. With its high-definition lens, you will get real-time picture transmission. Its 120-degree ultra-wide-angle shooting range will give you a chance to record every wonderful moment. The high-definition resolution camera will allow you to clearly record the wonderful pictures of the flight moments. The front camera is eye-opening, and the bottom light can be remote-controlled to control the switch. Its aviation material body is cleverly foldable, and it is fall-resistant and easy to carry. The folded size is 12 centimeters by 5 centimeters by 7.6 centimeters, and the expanded size is 22.6 centimeters by 5 centimeters by 20.4 centimeters. It has one-click sharing of beauty filter, creative MV production, so that you can easily share your creativity. You will get a gesture photo shoot, and you can record within 2 meters. It also has intelligent follow, shooting to record sweet moments, so that you can casually have some candid moments. It has 360-degree surrounding shooting feature, and you will also get fixed point shoot, one-click shooting blockbuster. It has some variety of functions that can be controlled through the remote control, without cumbersome control, and the novice can easily get started. It is equipped with an infrared obstacle avoidance detector. It can intelligently detect surrounding obstacles during flight. It helps prevent collisions, scratches, and making your flight more comfortable. It has modular battery for longer battery life. Its 1,800 mAh high-capacity modular battery will allow you to fly longer. It will provide you with about 15 minutes of battery life.
If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.